Check out this pre-owned 2015 Jeep Wrangler Sahara 4x4. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 87,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, and premium audio.